We've now come here to the little harbour at Wannsee. See all the little boats? And you've also got a number of seafood restaurants along here. What a nice day it is. Wow, what a nice day. Dad's just feeding these starlings.
They're not, they're sparrows, I think.
Oh, sparrows.
Oh, we got it.
Go on, throw another one. They're hungry, these birds. Aww. They're all hungry. You gonna throw another one?
No.
Go on. For all these poor defenseless little birds. And I mean, there's a lot of them. All of them. Wow. Stay there. Stay there, you silly bird. Whoa, they're all coming at us. Oh, and there's a poor little different bird wanting more food. Okay, that's enough feeding time.